So, I read this report of this couple where they have made a Netflix documentary where this couple they climb the skyscrapers. They are in love, and the thing is, the documentary, if you read the reviews, it talks about how daredevil and how much panic attack you can get just watching them climb such huge, tall buildings. So, I haven't seen the Netflix series yet. I will be seeing it soon enough, maybe in a day or two. But I wanted to do a psychic reading and find out what lies ahead for this couple. So I'm just going to be looking at is a random art and then just go with a certain search result and then see what is the answers this art has to give to me. So when I look at this picture, there is only one potato. So the couple they have a soulmate connection where they may be two bodies but they think like just one person. So they're truly a soulmate connection. Then very easy to see in this art is the potato is smiling, so they're going to be very happy together. So when I ask what lies ahead for them, they're a soulmate connection, and then I see lot of happiness coming along for them. And then the third thing, when I continue to look at this artwork, is the potato. See, it's a potato. It's not necessarily fallen, but it gives the impression that it is fallen. See, if you keep a potato, it will still be standing or be like this. But just with the way it is drawn, it gives the impression that it is fallen. So, one, their spirits are going to stay very, very up and high and going, even though some when they may not do their performances or when they may not be climbing the skyscrapers, people may think that they have taken a fall or they have taken some time to rest from some injury or something. That is not the case. They just must be relaxing, enjoying their time when no news comes about them, because you see, potato is not fallen. That's how you would anyways keep a potato down. Then the action of the hands is also very important. One hand is taking rest, the other is up in the air as if cheering or very gung ho. So I think this is a very balanced relationship where one stays grounded, the other is up in the air at any given point in time. So both of them stay very balanced. It's not like they're all cheered up, always looking at the bright things in life. They're also aware that they need to make money, have some things going for them. So they're very, very balanced couple. They have very high dreams. They want to go do something very dangerous, which they are doing, but they are very grounded as well. Very beautiful relationship, lot of happiness, lot of sobriety, balanced relationship, which I am seeing in the future for them. Very nice guidance.